so happy together. I can't see me loving nobody but you for all my life. When you're with me, baby, the skies will be blue for all my life. Me and you and me, no matter how they toss the dice, it had to be the only one for me is you and you for me, so happy together. I can't see me loving nobody but you for all my life. When you're with me, shawty, you don't need no makeup, brown eye check outside, beauty standard, pretty pretty lady, big bad, doesn't make sense.
Don't need these other pretty faces like I need you. And when you're mine in the world, there's gonna good times together. Let's celebrate. Every moment feels so great. Good times together.
Oops! Teka.
Hindi siya Amerikana, hindi rin siya Koreana, hindi isang Britanya, hindi rin taga Kenya. Siya ay Pilipina na isang moren.
Sabi ko kahapon, diet na ako ngayon eh.
Hold on, anak.
Pero sige, bukas na lang ulit. Promise.
They said hold on. Yeah. Please like and share nga eh. Please like and share. My gosh!
Mom, can you raise your hand?
Yeah, relax din boy. Hold on. You need to enjoy the food. Hold on.
I'm enjoying to.
Yeah, that's why you eat slowly but surely.
Can you order more?
Yeah, hold on. Relaxation.
Bro, you've been saying that and I've been.
You try to mix that one.
No. I only want to.
Hold on, anak ko. Wait lang.
I need a full-time school now.
Wait lang, Jimboy.
Ano nang tawag yun sa bintayan?
Order ka tayo.
You guys want to put any more meat on the cook?
Sorry, what's that again?
Any more meat to cook? Or just the
Oh,
cook?
can we have this one, the beef? Yeah. Two more. And then
Sabi ko ni Thank you.
Hey guys.
Basta kasi na lang ko. Hindi ko naman alam kung ano yan. Pero ito ang masarap naman. Pag gutom, lahat ng sarap. Harap yung chicken.
Kanina?
Pero ano, parang hindi pa masyado.
Kaya masarap yung timpla niya. Yeah, Jimbo, you try. Barbecue chicken. Chicken barbecue. Yeah, try. Blow mo. This one, try. Just try. With no rice rice. Just try. Tikman natin to.
Mom, I don't like it.
You don't like it? Which one?
Oh,
Try this one with this. Over here.
Malapit yan sa inyo. Ramen soup.
Hinuhuli pa yung manok.
Ano yung lasa nito?
Super natin man. Grabe itong gulay.
I take plate to you. Thank you. I'll check on your chicken, okay, bud?
Oh, masama na yung tingin niya sa'yo.
Ano?
Oh, yeah?
Medyo maanghang lang. Matamis-tamis na maanghang.
Wait lang. Sobrang anghang yata. Hindi ko kaya yung anghang. Anghang, girl.
Nawala ng pagkain.
Bet mo yung anghang niya?
Pagkain.
Kaya nga lang. Gusto mo yung ganyang kaanghang?
Girl. Thank you. ba yan? O nag-TikTok?
Ano ka ngayon?
Trip, trip, trip,
Yo,
trip lang. Trip,
pakinggan nyo to.
bakit? Trip,
Trip lang.
trip lang.
Halika na naramadali ng karga. Kapangako pagkatapos mo hinga ka padali na pare magliliwanag na kung di ka sasabay makikituwanan ka. Ang isip ay wag na gawing pangdalawa. Dahil isa lang ito, ang gusto lang naman ito ay magmasaya. Para di ka mabato ay iwasan mo. Pag mananatili sa isang lugar ay kung sabihin ay huwag ka papasakop. Sa takot wag ka papasakop. Kapag nangate, eh di ka ito isipin mo. Iniban sa lahat ng karanasan mo dito sa mundo bilang
Dito ah, dito! Go, Jiboy! Jiboy! Ah, which one?
Tama. Paano kasi